Good day, volleyball fans. We are now heading to our second game here in the women's division in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. For our game 2, we will be witnessing the battle between the municipality of Mangatarem having 5-1 standing versus the municipality of Bolinao having 0-5 standing. So since ang Mangatarem came from the loose kahapon, dito natin malalaman sa kanilang game for today kung babawi nga ba sila at makukunin ang win for today. But still sa Bolinao, wala pa rin po silang panalo for this season and we will see kung ngayong araw ay makakakuha sila ng panalo for their municipality. We will see and watch that later, volleyball fans. Kaya just keep watching here in our page because our game 2 in the women's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
Good morning once again to all our volleyball fans joining us here inside the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center, and to everyone watching us live from the different parts of Pangasinan. Thank you for spending your Sunday morning with us as we continue the exciting action in the Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. We are grateful for your continued support of our local athletes as they give their all on the court, representing their respective municipalities with pride, determination, and heart. Before we begin our second match of the day, we would like to once again acknowledge our beloved Governor Ramon V. Guico III for his unwavering dedication to sports development here in Pangasinan. Through his vision and leadership, tournaments like this continue to inspire young athletes, strengthen camaraderie among our municipalities, and provide an excellent platform for local volleyball talents to shine. Truly, Pangasinan ang galing. Now it's time for our second women's division matchup. It is between Team Mangatarem versus Team Bolinao. Both teams are coming off a loss on their last outing. So let's see later on. I am Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner Cliff Lagisma. This is the Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. First 6 for Team Bolinao, jersey number 2, 11, 1, 7, 14, and 5. Jersey number 12 rather. For the first 6 of Team Mangatarem, jersey number 14, 3, 18, 7, 11, and 15. Valle is set sa open, ginawa ng paraan, and first point will go to Team Mangatarem. Serving jersey number 15, Valle. Good serve. Set sa 4. Bautista. And then si Gonzaga. And another point for Team Mangatarem.
Valle on the service line. Good serve. Bukol, drop ball. Nandun si Carpio. Valle. Gonzaga. Heavy hands. Valle to Carpio. Ball out.
Serving jersey number 12, Gonzaga. But the service error committed by jersey number 12. Another point for Team Mangatarem. Serving, Valdez. Good serve. Bautista inangat ang bola. Valdez will give a free ball. Kalisaan to Bukol. And then si Carpio. Bautista will send it over. Kalisaan to the middle. And then si Saura. Another free ball for Team Bolinao. Si set para kay Carpio. But that is outside.
Carpio, back-to-back error. Bukol on the service line. Ooh, straight to the net for Bukol. For serving 2, Bautista on the service line. Good serve.
Carpio will set it to the open. Gonzaga, Kalisaan, ibibigay para kay Kaakbay. Sa opposite, blocked. And miscommunication on the side of Valle and Bautista. Another point for Team Bolinao. Serving, jersey number 1, Morga. Received. Valle is set para kay Saura. And then si Gonzaga, Kalisaan to the middle. Valle. Carpio off speed. Good ball. Valle.
Carpio
Carpio
asked for it and
again.
Carpio gets it. Carpio now on the service deck. Kalisaan. Middle drop ball. Ooh. Error. Receiving error for jersey number 1 for Team Bolinao.
Carpio targets the libero. Sinet para kay Carranza. Regalo. Gonzaga will send it over. Valle is set kay Saura. And a point for jersey number 14.
Carpio still serving for Team Mangatarem. Valle sets to the middle, and the middle successful hit for Labasan. Bolinao will talk things out for their team. Back to our ball game, and Mangatarem still leading with 5 points over Team Bolinao. Carpio serving. Kaakbay straight to the net.
For jersey number 14. Serving. Still serving. Jersey number 3, Carpio. And the service error for Carpio.
Kaakbay serves for Team Bolinao. Valle sets to the opposite, but it sails out. Labasan too wide on that hit. Still serving Kaakbay. Good serves. Targets the libero. Valle to the back row. Carpio. Ooh, Gonzaga. Building a campfire for Team Mangatarem.
Serving Kaakbay. Received by Carpio. Free ball for Team Bolinao. Another free ball for Team Mangatarem. Valle is set para kay Saura.
Saura muscling that out, using the hands of the blockers, giving Team Mangatarem their 10th point of the game. Labasan on the service deck.
Gonzaga.
Powerful hit for Gonzaga.
Serving jersey number 2, Carranza.
Too wide for jersey
Service
number 2.
error committed by Carranza. Official score 11, serving 7. Saura. Kalisaan is set para kay Gonzaga. Cover. Free ball for Team Bolinao. Kalisaan to Bukol. Andun si Bautista. Kalisaan gets the point.
The setter attacker, Kalisaan. Now Kalisaan serving. Good serve. Valle with a dump. Pero nandun si Bukol guarding the net. Lead down to 2. Bolinao 9, serving 11. Kalisan again. Straight to the net.
Labas sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Team Mangatarem. Valle. Morga. Tinaas. Kalisan will send it over. Valle will set it to Valdez. Chow spot. A net violation. Committed by jersey number 12, Gonzaga. Another point for Team Mangatarem.
Valle serving. Targets the libero. Kalisaan to the opposite.
And then si Saura.
Valle to Carpio. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. Too wide on that hit. Still serving Valle for Team Mangatarem. Kalisaan to the middle. Drop ball by Bukol. Carpia flies. And it's outside. Ball out for Carpio, giving Bolinao their 10th point. Valdez serves. Kalisaan. Valle to the middle. And Labasan scores. Valdez still serving. Ooh, straight to the net. 12 serving, 16. Bautista serving. Morga straight to the net that time. 6-point cushion enjoyed by Team Mangatarem. Bautista still serving. Bautista straight to the net. Substitution for Team Bolinao. Morga out. Ooh, straight to the net too for Team Bolinao. Carpia now at the back serving. Valle to the open. Saura outside. Ball out. Labasan on the service line. Received by the libero. Dump ball. And it's inside. For Team Bolinao. 15 serving 20. A serve for Carranza. Nobody there in Mangatarem to get that ball. (16 serving 20). Jersey number 2 to serve, Valle. To the running. Fourth lifting violation called for Saura. Point for Bolinao. Bolino's libero is down. Medics are coming in for the libero. We pray and hope that it's not too serious. Valia to Carpio. Dog and hesitation on Team Bolinao, who will get the second ball.
Serving jersey number 11, Valdez. Good serve. Gonzaga chases that one. Free ball for Team Mangatarem. Valle kanini bibigay labasan, drop ball, andun si Kalisaan. Gonzaga will set it to Kaakbay. Dog.
Carpio
Carpio.
flying. Good chase by Gonzaga. Airborne. Valle to Carpio. And she scores.
And set point for Team Mangatarem. Serving for the set, Valdez. Kalisaan. Nabol ang bola. Andun si Valle. Saura will set it to Carpio off speed. Kalisaan to Bukol. Drop ball. Chaos, but net violation called on jersey number 7, Bautista. Point for Team Bolinao.
Net violation there for Bautista. Serving for Bolinao. Jersey number 11, Bukol. Good serve. Valle to the flying Carpio. No. Kaakbay tries. And Kaakbay scores. Targets the libero of Team Mangatarem.
And Mangatarem will call for time. They're gonna use their last timeout for this set. 24-22 lamang ng dalawa ang Team Mangatarem. Serving jersey number 11, team captain, Bukol. Serve. Valle is set para kay Carpio. And
Carpio successful on that off-speed shot, giving them their first set win, 25-22.
You are still watching the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Bolinao versus Team Mangatarem. Nasa second set na po tayo ng ating Game 2 ng Women's Division.
Second set action.
Prado. Kalisaan, ibibigay para kay Gonzaga. Free ball. Valle to the middle. Magrasha. Bukol will give a free ball. Saura blocked by jersey number 11. First point for Team Bolinao.
Jersey number 7 serving straight to the net. Jersey number 15 for Team Mangatarem, Valle. Kalisaan, tinas ang bola to the open. Nandun si Tobias. Carpio. Off speed. Free ball. Valle to Carpio again. And good chase. Ooh. Kalisan couldn't get that anymore.
Valle. Kalisaan, isiset sa gitna. Andan si Prado. Valle. Carpio give a free ball. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. And a point for jersey number 12.
Gonzaga now serving for Team Bolinao. And a serve for Gonzaga. Still serving Gonzaga. Sharp serve. Libero standing spike. Kaakbay. And she scores. Back row defense not ready for that kaakbay hit. Gonzaga still serving. Sharp serve. Middle. Saura was denied by Bukol.
Still serving Gonzaga. That is outside. Point for Team Mangatarem. On the service zone, jersey number 8, Labasan. Received by Bukol. Sinet sa opposite. Ginawa ng paraan. But, error for the captain, Bukol. Labasan. Kalisaan, sinet sa open. Valle to Carpio. And a point for jersey number 3. Deadlock at 5.
Labasan on the service deck. High ball. Kalisaan to Bukol. Saura? No, that's Valdez. Valdez was Kakbay breaks the Valdez block. Bukol now on the service deck.
Valle.
To Carpio, and Carpio successful.
Fourth deadlock of the set. Free ball. The set para kay Carpio. Ginawa ng paraan. Gonzaga is there to Kaakbay. And then yung libero to Carpio. Deflected. Kalisaan. Free ball again for Team Mangatarem. Valle will set it to the middle, but net infraction there called on
Net
Carranza.
touch for jersey number 2. Carranza. Says wala daw. Pero referee's decision. Saura serving. Kalisaan to Kaakbay. Valdez free ball.
Good ball. But a crossing violation there for Prado.
Good effort there by Mangatarem, keeping the ball up. But it resulted to a point for Bolinao. Valdez. Valdez at the middle. Point for Team Mangatarem. Carpio now at the backline. Oh, service ace for Carpio. With the help of the net.
Is received. Itinaas. Free ball for Team Mangatarem. Drop by Valdez. And that touch for jersey number 2, Carranza.
Carpio still serving. Kakbay on the opposite. Tinasang bola. Ooh, too eager, Kalisan.
Score 11-7 in favor of Team Mangatarem. You're still watching the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. This is the set 2 ng ating Game 2. Team Mangatarem versus Team Bolinao. Still serving. Carpio. Good serve. Kalisan will set it. Miscommunication. Valle kanina bibigay. Valdez drop ball. Kalisan was there. Regalo for Prado. But saved. Kalisan for free ball. Valle bibigay kay Valdez, but Too strong on that hit.
Crack by on the service deck. Valle to Prado to the middle attack. Valle back to Prado. Dump ball. Kalisaan to the open. Ooh. Too low for Gonzaga. Two straight errors for Gonzaga. Serving jersey number 2 for Bolinao. Valle inangat ang bola. Good ball. A ref overrules the call. So it's a point for Team Mangatarem. Kalisaan. Oh. Another standing spike from the libero of Mangatarem. Valle to Carpio. Carpio scores. Carpio targeting the end line. Serving jersey number 1 for Mangatarem. Serve. Kalisaan to Bukol. Net touch for Team Bolinao. Bukol. Too hot on zone 5. Another standing spike for the libero of Mangatarem. That was the third time as I saw the libero of Mangatarem, Tobias, standing spike. Fresh legs for both teams. Ball out for Team Mangatarem. Gonzaga serves. Peroche sets. Binigay kay Kalisaan. Bukol will do a drop ball. Bukol denies. Labasan and Labasan scores. Bukol just too wide on that point. On that attack, rather. Bukol on the service deck for Team Bolinao. Good serve. Peroche inangatang bola to Saura. Saura straight to the net. Oh, too hot for Kaakbay. A mountain to climb for Team Bolinao. Bukol serves almost an ace. Peroche for free ball. Bukol binigay kay Kalisaan to Morga. Morga scores.
Still serving, Bukol. And a service ace for the captain, Bukol.
Bukol still serving for Team Bolinao. Peroche. Dump. Kalisaan to Morga. Morga, heroic point. Substitution for Team Mangatarem. Carpio and Valle will come back. Carpio flying. Denied but outside. Blockers out. Service specialist Raposas for Team Mangatarem. Kalisan to Kaakbay, denied. Another one. Valle, the middle. Kalisan back to Kaakbay and a point for Team Bolinao. Serving jersey number 1, Morga for Team Bolinao. Valle inangat sa gitna. Kalisaan. Drops. Ooh. Sorry, error for Team Bolinao. Carpio serves. Middle attack. Ooh, straight to the net for Prado. 19 serving 23. Will they even this match for Team Bolinao? Kakbay serves. Valle tinaas for Prado and Prado scores. Match point, Mangatarem.
For Team Mangatarem. It's nice to see that the captain, Raposas, is inside the court for Team Mangatarem. Valdez. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. Sabi ni Gonzaga, hindi pa tapos.
Blazing hot. It's not yet done for Team Bolinao.
Carranza, sharp serve.
Ace serve.
And a service ace for jersey number 2.
Oh.
Service error.
Service error that gives Mangatarem match point. Congratulations to both Team Bolinao and Team Mangatarem.
This is where it ends our second game here in the women's division of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. So nakita naman natin mula sa municipality of Mangatarem na talagang bumawi sila for this game and kitang-kita natin ang kanilang consistency when it comes to their defense and also sa kanilang powerful attacks. Para sa Bolinao naman, kahit na hindi naging ganon kaganda ang kanilang game, kitang-kita natin ang kanilang effort sa loob ng court from the first set up until the second set. Congratulations for Municipality of Mangatarem for winning this game. And still congratulations for Municipality of Bolinao. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Player number 3, Riza May Carpio, having 12 attacks and 1 block. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game since nanggaling kayo sa pagkatalo kahapon. Paano nyo ginawang motivation yun para makabawi for this game?
Sinabi po namin sa sarili namin na kahit na alam po namin sa sarili po namin talaga na kaya namin kahapon, nagkulang lang and sabi namin i-workout po namin kung ano po yung pagkukulang namin day by day po.
Since nasabi mo na winner-out niyo yung mga ibang game niyo, ano yung mga in-adjust nyo na nakita mo naman na nakita mong na-adjust nyo ngayong game?
Sa depensa po talaga. Nagkulang po kami kahapon so kanina po talaga winner-out po namin yung mga depensa po na.
Yes, kita nga namin yung depensa nyo sa loob ng court from the first set up until the second set. So ano naman message mo sa mga teammates mo, family and friends and supporters ng Team Mangatarem?
Sa teammates po thank you po sa sa teamwork po namin tsaka sa lakas po ng loob na binibigay po nila sa bawat isa. Kahit na alam po namin na minsan dehado, alam po namin na kayang-kaya pa rin po namin manalo. And pwede na po mag-shoutout. Shoutout po kay mama ko, pagaling ka dyan ma. And shoutout po sa family Raposas, family Cervantes, family Prado, Valle. At sa pinakamaganda daw naming libero, si Tobias, mama niya, sa family Saura, and sa sponsor po namin, thank you po sa walang sawang magsuporta po sa amin from Canada, Ate Angge, and Kuya Pets, sa mayor po namin, and sa hello mga bebekes, subscribe and like daw po and share.
Brazilian tayo.
1, 2,
Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our second game here in the women's division. Stay here in our page because our third game is about to start. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.